Hi guys, Boozhoo, Anishinaabe, Miigwech. Hi my friends, thank you for being here. I'm catching you up on what I've been doing. I'm like hooked on beading lately. This is a tobacco pouch I made for an elder that's going to be giving me my native name. He's getting up there in age now. It's traditional to give a gift to an elder. Even if you ask them a question, but it's traditional to give the elder that gives you your naming to bring tobacco. So I made this pouch and I'll fill it with tobacco when I bring it to them. It has the 4 directions and the fire and colors. Some other things that I
earth,
am
water,
working
air.
on. I've been trying to do hoop earrings, and I think I'm gonna have to change from the peyote stitch to a different type. That's either an earring or a moccasin top. Not sure what that's gonna be yet. I'll be beading that live. But my beading with the hooped earrings hasn't gone so well. This little bit, it was peyote stitch, and let me tell you, if I can get past the first 5-6 rows, I'd be fine. It's getting past them 5 or 6 rows. I tried to beat this on the hoop, and I tried to beat it off the hoop, and me and peyote stitch on hoops don't get along. Now this is a twisted peyote stitch that I'm doing. This is off the hoop, but it will slip on. My favorite colors. I love this teal. It's the color that I wanted my 82 Firebird painted. And then it has gold and white. And the white beads are a bigger bead. So that's what causes the twist. But I love that teal. It's gorgeous. Back to my flower. I'm 2-needle stitching this, so I'm sewing down between every 1 or 2 beads. And then, like I say, this might be a moccasin top. I haven't fully decided yet. But there is a lot more beading in my future. I absolutely am loving it. Learned a lot of different techniques for edging and doing all that, and I'm making my own cabochons. Here is a buffalo nickel that I've done, and I just got my jewel edging. So this is going to be finished. It's going to be a pin. That's my buffalo nickel. I have 15 of them. I think I bought 15. No, I bought 20 of them. And this is a skateboard I've been painting that I'm working on for my granddaughter. We'll catch up on that. Miigwech.